Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss about a efficient herb that is Arjun, which is also known as Terminalia arjuna. Let's start with its introduction. Arjun is the one of the best cardiac tonic. Arjun contains rasayanik that is rejuvenating properties. It is one of the most religious plant in Hindu culture. The name Arjuna signifies the brightness of purity. It helps to balance heart chakra, which is also known as Anahat chakra in Ayurveda. Let's discuss classical synonym of Arjun. Dhaval, that means its external bark is white. Nadi Sarch, the tree mostly found on the river banks. Kakubh, it covers large area. Svetvaha, its bark is white. Sarpan, the tree with extended branches. Devshala, the tree with strong actions. It is also known as Veer Vriksh, that is, it is a potent herb. Indradaru, it is a potent medicine. Now we'll discuss about vernacular names of Arjun. In English, Arjun is known as Arjun tree, Arjunolic myrobalan. In Sanskrit, it is known as Arjuna. In Hindi, it is known as Arjun. In Telugu, it is known as Telamadi. In Tamil, it is known as Nirmrudu. In Gujarati, it is known as Sadado. In Marathi, it is known as Sadaru. Now we'll discuss about classical categorization of Arjun. According to Acharya Charak, it is classified into Udard Prashman, that means herbs that are effective in allergic and skin problems. Kshaya Skand, that means the herbs that contain astringent taste. According to Acharya Sushrut, Arjun is classified in Nyogradhadi Varg, Salasradi Varg. According to Acharya Vagbhat, it is classified into Viratvaradi Gan, Salasradi Gan. Now let's discuss about ancient verse of Arjun. Kakubha शीतलो हृदय है क्षत क्षय विष असृजित मेदो मेह वर्णान हंति तुवरह कफ पित्त हयात. According to above shlok, Arjun contain cold potency, cardiac tonic, effective in injuries, tuberculous cough, poisoning, blood disorder, obesity, diabetes, gonorrheal ulcer, and balance pitta and kaph dosha. Now we'll discuss about morphology of Arjun. Arjun has a large tree from 20 to 26 meters in height with a big trunk with branches spreading horizontally. If we discuss about bark of Arjuna, it is grey, smooth, heartwood with brown color and sapwood with reddish white color. The fruits of Arjuna are drupe. Fruiting season is winter. Its inflorescence is short axillary spikes. Leaves of Arjuna are sub-opposite with 10 to 15 leaflets. The flowers of Arjuna are sessile with white and yellow stalk. Its flowering season is summer. Now we'll discuss about habitat of Arjun. Arjuna is found almost throughout the India. It covers river banks and area like Himalayas, Bengal, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Now let's discuss about scientific classification of Arjun. Its kingdom is Plantae, its division is Tracheophyta, its class is Magnoliosida, its order is Myrtales, Its family is Combertiaceae. Genus of Arjuna is Terminalia and its species is Arjuna. Now let's discuss about pharmacological properties of Arjun. Its ras or taste is astringent. Its gun or physical properties are dry and light. Its potency is cold. Its post-digestion effect or vipak is katu or pungent. Arjuna helps to balance kapha and pitta dosha. Now let's discuss about chemical constituents of Arjun. Arjun contain pyrocatechol and punicalagin, which are tannins. It also contains arjunolone, gallic acid. These are flavonoids. It contains arjunoside 1, arjunoside 2, arjunoside 3, arjunoside 4. These are glycosides. It also contains arginine, arjunic acid, arginolic acid, and arginatine. These are triterpenoids, and arjun also contain phenolic compounds. Now let's discuss about properties of arjun. Arjun contain Varnaropan properties, that means it helps in wound healing. It contains Pitta Shaman properties, that means it helps to pacify Pitta dosha. It contains Raktarodhak properties, that means it controls bleeding. It also contains Shothar properties, that means it decreases swelling. It helps in Raktapradar, that means menorrhagia. Arjun contain Hridya properties, that means it improves cardiac functions. It helps in Arsh, that means hemorrhoids. It contain Kafgan properties, that means it helps to pacify Kaf dosh. It contains Sandhanya property, that means helps in fracture healing. It helps in Atisar, that means dysentery. Now let's discuss about therapeutic properties of Arjun. Arjun contain antimicrobial, anti-inflammation, antioxidant, cardiac tonic, antipyretic, skin disease, fracture healing, menorrhagia and leukorrhea, premature ejaculation, wound healing, anti-diabetic, gonorrhea, and conjunctivitis properties. Now let's discuss about effect of Arjun on different system. On circulatory system, Arjun act as cardiac tonic, hemostatic, and thus it improves cardiac rhythm and functions. Also, it helps in cardiomegaly and provides strength to the heart muscles. Now let's discuss about effect of Arjun on digestive system. Arjun contain astringent and hemostatic properties that helps in controlling bleeding, dysentery, and hemorrhoids. On respiratory system, Arjun acts as astringent, thus helps in hemoptysis, tuberculosis, cough, etc. Effect of Arjun on reproductive system. Arjun is effective in premature ejaculation, spermatorrhea, menorrhagia, and leukorrhea. Now let's discuss about effect of Arjun on urinary system. It helps to manage diabetes, gonorrhea, etc. due to its astringent properties. Also, it helps to relieve pain and burning micturition. Now let's discuss about part use of Arjun. Its leaves and bark are widely used in the management of various disorders. Now we'll discuss about doses of Arjun. Its churn or powder is used at a dose of 1 to 3 gram. Its juice or swaras is used at a dose of 10 to 20 ml. Its decoction is used at a dose of 50 to 100 ml. Its bark is used at a dose of 5 to 10 gram. Now let's discuss about special classical formulation of Arjun, that are Kakubadi Churan, Arjuna Rist, Arjuna Ghrit, Pushyanug Churan. Now we'll discuss about some home remedies of Arjun. In diabetes, take 1 teaspoon of Arjun powder with water in empty stomach. In conjunctivitis, paste of Arjun bark powder with water can be applied on closed eyes. For heart health, take 1 to 2 teaspoon of Arjun bark powder with warm water or milk once or twice daily, or you can take 1 teaspoon of Arjun powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water. In menorrhagia and leukorrhea, decoction of 5 to 10 gram of Arjun bark can be taken once or twice daily, or mix 1 teaspoon of Arjun powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and take with warm water once daily. For hair health, wash hair with water formed by soaking Arjun leaves in water overnight. In fracture, consume Arjun bark powder with milk, and paste of Arjun can be locally applied. Now let's discuss about Planet Ayurveda products that contain Arjun. These are Arjun powder, Arjun capsules, Arjun Sar, Arjun tea, Total Heart Spot formula, Arjuna wet syrup, Arjuna Rist, Coolstrin C capsule, Pradrantak चूर्ण, Lakshadi Gugul, Bone Spot, Leucoplan syrup, Osteoplan capsules, Hemostop astringent powder, Ashwagandha Rist, Arvindasav, Stholyantak चूर्ण, Pushyanug चूर्ण, Panchshakti Asav. Thank you all. I hope you all like information about Arjuna. If you have any query regarding any home remedies or anything, you can mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या, अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।